Yes, what's up, my people? Going to the river on this nice overcast day. We got that nice overcast. We just got a bunch of rain. So the rivers, they should be up a few feet at least. And we haven't had a good rain over here in a while. We haven't had a good rain in a very long time. We've had rain here and there, but you know, our rivers have been really low over here. So I was told that the river is up a good bit right now, that the river came up a good bit. So we're about to go catch us some live bait and hit that riverside, hit that bank, do some bank fishing, some nighttime river bank fishing. I got some good oak wood in the back. We're gonna get a nice fire. It's pretty cold here right now, about like 55 degrees. So yeah, let's go catch some live bait and see if we can come up on some flatheads tonight. Got us that nice overcast today. Yeah, we're gonna try and come up on some flatheads, guys. I want some flathead meat put back in the freezer. Yeah, the reason I'm excited about the rain we finally got and the river's coming up, it should get the fish moving again. It's been so low, the water level's been so low. So I'm really hoping that it's the current is flowing a little bit. Maybe we can get some live baits out and them flatheads will be moving through and we can have us a good fish fry. So yeah, let's see what we can come up on. I love these types of days. These are my types of days right here. I don't like that sunny shit. I like these rainy, overcast days. Right, Mac? Right. Y'all already know I got my coffee, by the way. Always got that on deck. Yeah, man, I'm excited about the rain, man. I've been waiting for that to up the fishing and get that current moving and get them fish moving. Yeah, I'm excited. I hope we get some flathead to eat. You want to eat catfish? Look. All right, out here at the first bait spot. About to try and get some bullhead. We usually catch bullhead here after it rains and it gets kind of muddy. Yeah, we're gonna be trying to get some good live bait for the river, because them flatheads definitely should be moving through, and we want some bullhead. That's some of the best flathead bait, live bait. So let's see if we can come up on some bait. Show y'all this side.
This side.
All right, first spot produced a decent, not too much. Smaller ones we're gonna move around.
I'm done.
Yeah, we got light tackles, bobber, small little bait hooks, and little pieces of worm. You can take this rig to any creek and pretty much catch you some perch or small bait fish. So yeah, we're about to move spots and see what's up. Look, buddy. Look, buddy. Look.
What?
Look. Up here.
What?
Look.
Wow.
Up here. Yeah. I caught a bass. Got that creek bass, baby. Oh.
You got a little bass. You catch anything in these creeks.
Hey, let's keep. Done got another creek bass. Hey, that's a good one. Dang, my boy. Let's see our baits we got
Put them in the truck.
so far. Ooh, yeah, we got some slabs now.
I got some.
All right, we out at the river, boy.
I got the one. This
About to
one.
put on this pretty.
Yes, it did. It came up at least a couple of feet.
About to put on this pretty pumpkin seed, I believe.
It came up a couple of feet.
We got the
Pumpkin.
firewood.
You better not have got the only live.
About to get some baits out, some live baits, and get a fire started and catch some dinner. Got the rigs. Got to set a couple up. Let's go.
Wow.
All right, let's go, man. And we got the little rig too. Woo. For my boy. One rig out. About to get another. My boy put a live bass out. Yeah, I'm curious to see how that performs. Yes, sir. Yep. About to have a bonfire going out here. Check this out. Got that good oak. Look at that oak right there. Good dry oak wood. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that's gonna burn for a while.
Are you? Don't you? Where are you right now? Look at me.
Where's she at?
So,
Did you count to 10?
I found you. Oh no. Can you go hide?
Got some of that napalm fire starter.
I found you. Got the fire starter. We got our marshmallows ready. You don't got our marshmallows on. We don't got marshmallows on my stick.
Really?
What are our marshmallows? Where is it? I know where it's at. They are in the truck. Yep. I left it in there. Get the marshmallows out. Get them. Get the marshmallows out.
good sight to see that water up. So that's at least 2 feet.
It's came up a couple feet at least.
Because you could walk down way further than that.
See that napalm, bro? It catches and then it stays
Can
lit.
you get some marshmallows on this? Can you get some
And
marshmallows?
it burns good, man.
Can you get some marshmallows on this?
You know they used to make napalm bombs. You didn't hear napalm.
Already came up on a blue cat. Ooh, that's an eater. Ooh, that's an eater. Let's go. What to eat? A worm?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's an eater right there. Damn, he's actually a good size. Ooh, he's fat too. You can tell he's been eating. The catfish are eating.
Can I have it now? Can I have it?
Where's the coat hanger?
Yummy.
I gotta take a bite. I want a marshmallow or a marshmallow.
You want it burnt?
I like mine burnt too.
I like
Crispy.
my bird too. Burn it off. Pull the fire off.
Let's go.
Yeah. Of course they do.
That's a good boy.
That's good. You're touching the wood, Goofy. Oh. You are all on that wood. You're not eating that. He's just learning.
I'm not on the wood. See? It's not on the wood. Ow.
Yeah, it's hot.
He didn't blow it.